Hey everyone, welcome back to another Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you a cool trick on how to set any GIF as the background in Google Chrome. Whether you're using a MacBook, a Windows 10 computer, or even a Chromebook, these steps will work for you. So, let's dive right in. As you can see, I've got a new tab open in Google Chrome, and my background is a lively GIF. If you want to achieve the same effect, follow along with me. Download a GIF from the internet. The best way to do this is by heading over to google.com. Click on Images in the top right corner, and then search for the GIF you want. For example, let's search for fireplace. Refine your search by selecting Tools in the top bar. A new menu will pop up, choose Type and then select GIF. Now, all the results will be GIFs. Find the one you like, right-click on it, and choose Save Image As. When saving the image, make sure to add .png to the end of the file name. This step is crucial. Save the GIF to your computer. Open a new tab in your Google Chrome browser. Look for a small pencil icon in the bottom right corner and click on it. With background selected, choose Upload from Device, locate the saved image on your computer, and open it. Voila! That's it. Your new background for the Google Chrome browser is now a GIF. It's a fantastic way to personalize your browsing experience. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop a comment below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as possible. And, if you're interested in more Google Chrome tutorial videos, you can find the links in the description. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.